De Nueva York. Alright, chat. We came here, did some taste testing. So basically, this is a factory where they produce products based off cactus. There's these little fruits on top. It's called tuna y choconostle. Tuna is sweeter, choconostle is bitter. It's pretty good. Yeah, they have drinks. They have like little gummies, snacks. They have marmalades. I don't know, mermeladas. They also got spices, like salsas. Ooh. But yeah, we bought some. Yeah, pretty nice. Alright, now. No corras. Yeah. Yo, the cactuses are crazy here. Like, I don't know, they grow like wild. Alright. Yep, now we're off. Holy crap! Si no sobrevivimos, ahí dice a mi mamá que la amo. Oh my god.
There's like a little side step right here.
Oh, I see. Ooh. What are these, emeralds? They're diamonds here.
Ya. Van a dar una explicación. Ocupaban más lo que era el metate para moler lo que era cacao, las semillas, el maíz y las hierbas. Antiguamente la moneda de cambio. The steering didn't feel stiff.
The steering was super stiff. That's why we almost flipped over.
Chicos, aquí es de espalda.
Vamos al recorrido y ahorita al último toma fotos.
Okay. Vamos de nuevo para atrás.
Cuidado con la cabeza.
Ay.
Cuidado con la cabeza.
Aquí de espalda, ¿verdad? Ay, qué bueno.
Cuidado acá con la cabeza, Jeremy. Ya.
Okay.
Okay.
Porque aún no se termina. No tiene luz.
Sigan al chico.
Wow.
Vamos a pasar al tercer.
It's like day three. Day three in here. We're running out of food and oxygen. Wait, watch out with the ceilings, yo. Might not make it out alive. Ooh. ¿Y los demás?
Ya se
Se los sacrificaron. I need to stop. Yeah. Here on the dirt bikes. Oh.
I know what you mean by your hand.
Yeah. Oh, it's picking up speed. Yo, in my head. Oh my god. Hey, I almost died. Wait, what the? Yo. Wait, I don't know what happened to them. Wait, we're gonna have to stop a little. We're here. Pyramids over there. Now we're going on a dangerous mission. We're all out. We're gonna go. Might die, but whatever. Alright, next stop. I don't know, I think this is where the people who maintain it live. But we're gonna go down there, I think. There used to be like a theater discoteca and everything. Like, chinga, yo, they get lit in here. But yeah, right now there's only a restaurant down there. Yeah, we're just gonna go in there and then yeah, through another cave, get some diamonds maybe. See if we make it out again. Ooh. Buenas tardes. Wow. Oh, verdad.
Buenas tardes.
Whoa,
¿Primera vez?
what the heck? Sí.
Sí, ok, bienvenidos a mi plan. Es entrada al inframundo. De este lado tenemos una obra de teatro, porque es una obra de teatro. ¿Vienen al restaurante?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí, el restaurante.
Les voy a dar un pequeño recorrido.
Apparently they have a spot in the Airbnb.
Cacao, en donde aquí elaboramos bebidas a base de cacao, frías, calientes, con leche, con agua. Tenemos una ventana arqueológica en donde se encuentra la ofrenda al cacao. Y ustedes pueden hacer su propio chocolate moliendo. Tomarle foto al código QR y ahí.
Apparently this is the Airbnb. Show. Yeah. No sé.
Muy recomendable.
Cuñado, hasta allá adentro de ese padre.
Ah, yo sí quiero ir.
Sí, pero no, pues no.
Alright, we're here. Pulque. This is what they squish it like. I don't know what this is. I don't know. But yeah. Is it these? I don't think it's these pants. I think it's something else. But yeah, it's pretty much where they do it. Yeah, like right there, you see it in the picture. Ooh.
Buenas tardes.
Yeah, we're trying to find the guy, but bro's not here.
And then they just see a smile just pop in.
No lights. We have like candles on. You're like in every video, yo. Like when we fell.
Actually, I'm just going to the bathroom. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna go with him.
Yeah, we're gonna eat right now. Chilaquiles, yo.
Mejor nos espantó la.
Aquí.